Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting, and today video title is guys how to set default font style in Poco phone device. Friends, you want to set guys your Poco phone get default font style. Friends, you can see my font style is different. I want to set into a default. Now how to set the default font style in Poco phone device today friends, I will show you, I will tell you. So friends, now let's see how to set default font style in Poco mobile. So guys, we will on phone setting. So friends, you can see this tab setting. So friends, you can set into default font style from guys your display setting. So guys, click on display setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this font setting guys, we will tap here. Friends, you can see font setting will on. So by right side guys, click on your profile option, and friends, you can see this font setting guys, we will tap here. So friends, you can see guys default font guys you want to set, so you will have to guys click on this reboot option. Friends, you can see apply here, tap here, and guys we will have to reboot guys our Poco font to set the default font style. As you can see the default, so friends we will have to click on reboot option. So guys we will click on reboot. So friends we will wait for a while, then guys your font style will set into default after few seconds. As you can see this pop-up powered by Android. So I am going to pause video because it will take I think a 20-25 seconds. So I wait here. Friends, now let's see font style, we will check. So first of all guys we will wait, as you can see. So first of all guys we will refresh it. So we will clean this font, then guys you can see guys your text, this guys font style will default in your Poco phone device. Friends, you can use it, the default font style in your Poco phone device guys. Font style will get set into default. So like that we can set the default font style in Poco phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.